Chat, am I cooked? Okay, this should be better. One, two, three. Okay, I'm gonna do my own. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we can live with that, that's fine. Right. What am I doing? Why is it all dark? Ah, I've been able to see and I shouldn't have. There we go. Game object rather. Okay, let's do dev. Can't remember what I'm friggin' doing now. So I have got a new UI that I was in the process of setting up where it will show you, ta-da, you've got a new unlock. It'll grey the screen. Happy days. I'm not sure if I've done anything with it yet. Yeah, probably not. I think I used this for the old one. I'm gonna kind of redo it. So I guess it's here. So it looks like I've just made an empty canvas, but I never did anything with it. That's fine, probably. What's it called? New unlock. So I'm gonna do it so that you don't actually get the unlocks immediately. Oh, I remember now. I put some of the code in. Oh, did I? Yes, I did. Instead of just unlocking something now, I'm going into completed. No, not completed. I don't think it's serialized data. Instead of going into completed challenge list, there is a new one, which is recent challenges. That's it. So it won't automatically add them to the pool, which means if you unlock something in the middle of a run, you won't immediately start seeing it on that run. You'll have to start over. That is intentional. Okay, so let's see how far I took it. Okay, it looks pretty good. Luckily it's all contained in here. And when you complete it, it adds to the recent. So I got to do it so that when you load the game hub, when loading game hub, if no run exists, if recent unlock. So move it from one list to the other, and fire unlock UI. Easy peasy. Okay, I've already done the legwork then, really. So, I guess I need to go into... that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a new UI that lets you basically unlock as a debug. Am I going to do it the easy way or the lazy way? I guess we need to look at the unlock class. I think is in Statistics Manager. Brownie points if you know where the music is from. Lifetime challenges. God, I haven't looked at this for ages. Hey, you get brownie points. I looped it myself. Isn't it totally not seamless? So these are unlock. Is there just an unlock challenge? Complete challenge. Oh, that's annoying. I was hoping I could just be lazy and just put like a string in or something. 3 references? What the heck? 1, okay, 2, 3, yeah, for the different types. Okay, shut up. Shut up with your smart unlock. Smart ass is what you are. Okay, so I guess we're gonna have to have a class that pulls in the full challenge list and then uses the challenge enum to render it to a drop-down box, and you pick it from the drop-down. Okay, it's gonna take slightly longer than I was hoping, but fine. Attached to this bottom section here. Why not? Save debugger. What the fuck am I missing? Where's my UI? What do you mean it's outside of the frustrum? Why is it out of the frustrum? What the heck? What the heck? Oh, it's not the wrong way around, or it would have the X in it. I mean, it's gone a width. You can see the borders of it all. It's just erroring. Why is Unity erroring? This is an internal error. Well, gosh darn. Like, we can see the cursor, so the cursor canvas is obviously working. Don't get me started on Godot. Oh, I don't know. I don't care. I'm just gonna do it from here. Wait, why is it invisible? Why is it invisible here? Why is it invisible here? What the hell has happened? Okay, I can't loop this one song forever. What else we got? Good. What the does it even render for like yeah, it does. Oh, we just edited from here, then fine, who cares? It's a debug menu, no one's gonna see it. Besides the, stream that I'm gonna watch. Okay, so we will have a new label, which is the unlock label. challenge. Take the stupid one out. Challenge. This doesn't have any data. Coolio. Is there a manager here? Can I see the manager, please? Nice, cool. I've already got a class I can latch on to. Can you hear the music alright? The last song I think was quite a bit louder. Yes, it could. No, it shouldn't. Because technically it does behind the scenes. So we got card options. So we do challenge list, and we do challenge options, and we copy paste, and we copy paste. Why wouldn't I just do var there? No, I don't know. Not a clue. Okay, so we grab the full challenge list. It's not title, and it's probably friendly name. Is it a friendly name that we're looking for? Is it the Oh, who cares? Friendly name, yeah, that's what we want. Cool. So add the friendly names, put them in the list, and then we sort by full challenge list, find a challenge, dot friendly name. Challenge info, find it, and then where's my method gone? Complete challenge. Oh. Fat fingering, I'm tired. And is that it? Info. That should be it. And I think I've got Steam achievements disabled at the moment. Oh, I don't. No. It's the only place I call it. Oh, if demo mode return. Ah, okay, okay. So it will be demo mode. So, I guess I'll just slap it in there. So I don't want it unlocking Steam achievements. I just hope it's demo mode. I better check. Even demo mode. Okay. So now I just hook this up. Wait, what? Is that not it? Oh, that's it. Okay. And then I hook this up to not add card, but unlock challenge. I think that's it. Hide that. Why are they all different? Yeah, this should be the point of truth, so who cares? Okay, so now we can go to... No, it's the one button I didn't want to click. Well, this is a disaster. This is a disaster. Oh. Why? This is ridiculous. Is it even gonna... Let me kill my Unity, please. Ah, there we go. Luckily the changes were minimal, but I saved the game object, so it should be fine. But the fact that I did save the game object means it could have corrupted. I hope it didn't, but it could have. So this should be fine. Nope, nope, that's green. This green. Hey, it works. Okay, so... let's do skeleton. Let's do Metropolis. Let's do wealthy. Okay, something doesn't work. So we should be able to go into the compendium now, and we should be able to look at the challenges and see. Metropolis didn't tick off. Cool. Okay, so Metropolis is our test. Yeah, and the other thing is that there are lots of challenges that are internal, so I gotta... I should filter those out, shouldn't I? Okay, let's do it proper. Spin the loop. Type? No. Hidden and internal. I think hidden's fine. So I think if oops. If challenge dot internal continue. Is friendly name the right thing to do as well? I should really look at the challenge list, I suppose. Yeah, here. Need new music. Need new music. Okay, so... Wait, your request? You put a request in? Did it die with the other stream? Yeah, I was talking about your messages being deleted. What am I looking for? Challenges. So that should be in the statistics manager, full challenge list. Where are you at? Okay, so... I'll use the achievement. No, I won't, because they don't all have achievements. I'll use the friendly name. Friendly name is fine. See that latest one? The latest one what? Are you trying to send me links? I'm not sure links work. Yeah, links don't seem to work. Yeah, that's a classic bop. Let's go with that then. I've lost many hours of dev listening to this. The theme song of shenanigans. Okay, so... Why did it unlock the wrong one? So, find where challenge friendly name is equal to that. So I guess we'll output whatever that is. Oh! Oh, I'm dumb. Well, that's why, obviously. Challenge list. Okay, cool. So challenges should work nicely. So we know that Metropolis isn't unlocked on this save. Swish. And now I can go to the compendium. See that is it there? Am I blind? It's not done. Why wouldn't that be done? Oh, of course, because it's not going into there. It's going to the temporary list. Awesome. Okay, so now I need to do it so that on scene load, is that the most sensible place to do it? I guess when I decide whether to do the clipboards or not. So if I'm not rendering a continue, I render the achievements. So I go to the... Oh, you give me a short version. What do I go to? What do I go to? What do I go to? The Game Hub. There we go. So from here... There is logic that shows the clipboard layer and filters it by clipboard. So I'm assuming that is... it's got to be tied to the start button. Start. What do you call? Nope. Start game button. On click. Show candidates. Desk manager. There we go. Show candidates, yeah. show candidates, start coroutine, so push everything off the desk basically. I kind of thought that there would be a filter here to see if there was an existing save, but I guess I do that on the clipboard, which is kind of gross if true. Can you name this game? Set unlocks. Ah, so this is for tying desk objects to achievements, I'm assuming. No, not Crummets Tale. This is Battle Block Theatre. Is the quality okay, by the way? Can you read things? I'm hoping you'd have told me if you couldn't. I guess I gotta look at the clipboard code. I think they say if I'm not selected, hide me. Oh no, that's just the generic test draggable as a clipboard object. Mayor select. Ugh. I don't want this to be the case. Yeah, so it's checking it. Okay, so if the mayor is not null, I guess I'll just do that check in the start method of the desk manager. Makes sense. What do we want it to happen? Does it matter? Does it matter? Does it matter? If this is not null, if it is null, so it is use data manager dot. No, I don't know. Player data. I have no way of getting it. That's annoying. Currently, there are no methods where I can retrieve the unlocks. Only the completed ones. I guess this should be the place that shows it anyway. I guess I'll do like a method that is like trigger unlocks or something. And then that'll scroll through the UI. And I think I'll do that in a coroutine. I think it'll be a coroutine that just shows one unlock, goes away, shows another unlock, goes away, shows another, for as many that there are. What does... that does the actual unlock? Yeah. Because as it happens now, you just get like the thing pop up at the side, and then when you go back to your desk, you've just got something new, like a new card or whatever. But I want it to like really show you, put it more in your face. maybe it doesn't make sense to put the coroutine in here. It's getting a bit bloated, and it should just really be for storing the data, so definitely not. But I don't want to just expose the list and then just have the have like a new class or something that just pulls from it. I guess I'll just initialize it and call like an init on it and pass it the list while also transferring them. The resource UI, that's a where is it? System managers, resource manager, right? This thing that's only actually used in the game, but it's persistent for some reason. And nobody knows why. Gonna but didn't. Okay, so I'll do a new class then, so I wonder where the existing achievement stuff lives. And I think assistant manager. Is it all in here? This. Okay, well this might as well handle it then. So we'll do a new so we need the full transform for the unlock parent. And then what are we even going to render? Do we need to now generate icons for everything that you can unlock and then show an icon? I haven't really thought about that now that I think about it. For now, I'm just going to do a text field. That'd be a good enough debug view. Text. There we go. So it's a bit wordy, but it'll do. And we will take a list of challenge scriptables. That'll be the unlock list. Coroutine here. I don't want the coroutine being started from a challenge. Not the challenge, from the user data manager, because I might need to manage it here. I'm not sure. It depends how I set it up. Whether I just have it run once on load, and that's it, or whether I have it run multiple times. So I will do a loop and call this oh god. Maybe I won't do this, but we'll see. It's a good starting place at least. So we'll do that. Why doesn't it like it? Oh, what? I'm so tired, man. There we go. Okay, so now we do for each unlock in text is equal to unlock.friendlyname, and then we will pause for like 0.8. Never make it an integer. Okay, so it'll just change the text. We also need the unlock parent dot set active. Nope. Dot enabled. It's because it's a transform, not a game object. I'm just gonna make it a game object because we don't want it to be transform. So that dot set active true. And then when we're done, set active false. That'll do for now. So I call this from public void transfer. Do you know what the song is from? This is awful code. We definitely went too far in the managers upon managers upon managers, but it's functional. I'm not about to unpick it all. So now we just do that. Ooh. Oh, they're the enum. Of course. Oh, so I'm gonna have to get the list first. Okay, fine. So is there no like get challenge? Annoying. Or maybe just one script. One script to rule them all. Just called game. Do it like some of the other indie devs out there. So I guess that's the only context that yeah. Is there any context that it gives the user data manager? Is the actual challenge? Okay, fine. So we got to pull that out. Who has the list of challenges? Oh, so we'll just pass the enum and challenges, and we'll sort it out from here then. Oh wait, no, shit, not complete challenges. Render. And now we'll pull it out. Okay, so in the transfer unlocks, we'll pass it a list of recent challenges. So I'm going to make it a list, obviously. And then I also need to say player data dot completed challenges dot add range range. Player data. Recent challenges. What the hell was that autocomplete? And then we'll do player data dot recent challenges is equal to new challenge list. Actually, now what am I doing? I'll just call dot clear. Then I will do pending saves true. And the save manager can take care of it from there. Okay, I think that's all I need to do in user data manager. So that means when I visit this screen, it'll propagate it to the compendium. Though the compendium should probably pull from both lists and update faster, but it's actually useful for debugging at the moment, so I'll leave it as is. So then in here we say unlocks is equal to a new list of challenge scriptable, and then we say for each one in the unlock list. Full challenge list, obviously. Dot find. Get lazy now. Where the challenge is the challenge. Yep, that makes sense. So scriptable, and then unlocks. Dot add challenge scriptable. What is with this autofill just adding an extra bracket? That's very annoying. And then we'll just pass that into that routine where it will be rendered. And what the hell have I changed in here? Transfer unlocks. Yeah, that just needs to pass it. No, nothing, because it's handled internally. Okay, cool. So now I just need to hook up the UI elements, which I will do via the actual prefab. Of course it's a Copilot bug. Every now and again my camera flickers. It's driving me up the wall. So where is my new UI? That's the unlock parent, and then I will create a new TextWorks Pro, which I guess I will do full length. Height of 250, why not? Bam, bam, center it. Yeah, and then hook it up to here. And that should be it. So now it'll be. Cursor doesn't work. What the heck? Have I broken the cursor? What the heck? No. What if I start from menu? That's a weird bug. Okay, one for the list. So this means there must be nothing on the temporary list? I kind of expected it to pop, to be honest. I guess it didn't save. It didn't force a save. Oh wait, no, of course, because my mayor's not none. So if I abandon, stop it, go back into that screen. It works. Oh. Cool. So we got our unlocks. Alright, so now we need to figure out how we actually want to render it. Oh no, we're not actually We're not actually wanting to render the friendly name of the thing, are we? We're wanting to render what it actually unlocks. Oh no, this is going to be harder. Because I can't look at the challenge lists. The challenge list doesn't contain what it unlocks. All objects in the game have a challenge that they relate to. I did it backwards. I mean, everything I did is needed. Is it? Is it? Yes. I just need to now hook it up to every type of thing that can be unlocked. Okay, so what can be unlocked? So there's cards. There's trinkets. There's relics. Desk toys. Is that true? I mean, there's the set of toys method here. They probably look for something. Yeah, okay, there we go. The required challenge. So I need to find everywhere that requires a challenge. What the heck is this? So that's the toy, the cards. Level? No. Oh, enemy. Weighted option base. So I think that covers the first three. Doesn't cover desk type, doesn't cover enemy. Put those into one list. So I guess in my in the coroutine I need to look up everything that ever was and flip the list. Yeah, and I still need the separation to the recently completed list, so that's something at least. Okay, so user data manager, that contains the list of everything's. So the does it? Yeah, there we go. Inconsistently named. Okay, so... Ooh, what about invents? They don't, but I wonder whether they should require a challenge. Like, you can unlock more as you go through the game. This has it in its weighted option base. So does this. So does this. Okay, so I guess I now need to do flip this. So for each relic in... Oh wait, I can't get this because it's private. I think that's like player's relic, right? Excuse me. Where do I get the all cards from? Get all cards. That's it? Get all enemies. Do I not have get all relics? Well, we're really getting into the thinking music now. I guess I'll just add them all here. What's that in uppercase? Jesus Christ. Does that break the binding? Is that why that's still uppercase? What the heck? The heck does your message say? It changes when I hover over it. Is that like a known thing? Am I a boomer? It like translated your message or something. Oh, that's so scuffed. Did I rename it? Did I save the rename? Yes, I don't think it did. Right. Cool. On to the mayor's one. I should have started with the mayor's one because there's like 3 mayors. Yeah, cool. Oh, okay. So maybe it'll break its bindings when it doesn't have compiler errors. Ah, we push through. We don't have many anyway. They should probably be loaded dynamically at runtime. So what type is that? Relic scriptable. Trinket scriptable? So then in Statistic Manager, I call oh, this actually means I don't need the previous lookup. Oh, it's already fucking... I'm looking for required challenge. It's already required challenge. Unlock list. Yeah, so it's the wrong type. So... much easier. And then this can just be relic.name. And then once you're done with relics, I'll just do them one at a time. You do trinkets. Whoops. And then when you're done with trinkets, you do card. course, card doesn't have a name. It has a title. Okay, so now I'm going to have to unlock a load more. But then when I progress to the next page, it'll be triggering it. Let's see. So we open this. Wait. Save debugger. What? Oh, no one cares about money. Oh, because I don't have a an active save anymore. That's fine, I can live with that. So, as long as it's code fired. So I need to find a challenge that actually has a card tied to it. Ugh. Oh, I haven't done dash ties either. I'm going to do a dash tie as well. I'm really not on the ball with my bloody music, am I? Do like just like a stir fry, I think. Too fancy. How about yourself? It's translated it again. Doesn't know how to speak English. Decent. Anything to change mashed potato into something else is good in my eyes. We don't have anywhere that stores the toys, do we? Desk toy. Bonjour didn't translate. I'm guessing desk manager will contain a toy list and oh no. That thing I did to store their position and unlocks, don't they handle it themselves? It's part of the save. No. It's not loud, you're just quiet. Could be in a baby. Enjoy some good music for once in your life. So you're saying that you save everything? Wait, what the heck is this? What the heck is this? Oh, that's something I was playing around with before. That needs to go in the bin. You're saying you save all the toys every time. Why don't I believe you? To register themselves. Have I got them all unlocked? I haven't unlocked the pencil. No way. Oh, it didn't even have its unlock thing. I'm just gonna make a list of all the the scriptables that inevitably go along with them, right? Oh, it's there. There's no scriptable. Okay, oh, that's fine. So... we got 4 ties? Is that it? What about, like, the books? Do the books not have challenges tied to them? No, they don't. They should be saved, but... so I guess I'll just look up... toy states. Use a data manager, toy states. A dictionary. The new version of Unity. I'm not sure if it's in full release yet or if it's one of the early ones. Now handles serializing dictionaries, so we should update. So toy state doesn't even contain if it's unlocked or anything. So is new. Its existence implies that it's unlocked. So I've got no, like, nothing I can query to basically say, get me a list of everything. It registers itself to the desk manager, but the desk manager... oh, it is a manager. Oh, wait, that's used to be a manager. Desk manager. It is a manager. I knew it wouldn't be. Is unlocked equals required challenge to completed challenge. Yeah, so that's in the tie itself. So, like, what I'm going for here is when you visit this page after completing a run, it'll pop up and show you you're recently unlocked. It can't pop up and say you have recently unlocked this tie, because it's got no context of the tie. But you're saying its existence defines it, but its existence would be its existence in the toy states. But toy states doesn't actually have any data about the toy. It does have its name. But then I don't know if it's new. I mean, it says it's new, but I don't... when does it stop being new? I don't think it's new is the is new that I need it to be. State is new. If I touch it, it stops being new. So if I've never touched it before, it will always say that it's new. I have to play with the toy for the game to tell me that it's a new toy. On the one hand, I think this would have been easier if we had done it the other way around, where unlocks were tied to the challenge. But I do think just putting a required challenge on things is way easier to manage. No, I think we've done it right the way we have. It's just that desk ties aren't tied to a scriptable like everything else because they're just so basic. It's fine, we just want to flag something up for them at the moment. That's alright. So if I go to scenes menu, I'll just unlock a load of challenges, but once again I have the problem where I need to know what things are tied to what. So let's look at the card resources. So yeah, maybe. It's not important for the time being anyway. Kind of annoying. Is Nina more annoying? Elevate data to a scriptable tie info, and that stores a prefab. Yeah, I mean that would be the logical way of doing it at this point. Okay, required challenge, busy day. Do we have busy day? Because of the... Oh no, because of the screen I'm on. Okay, let's see. Compendium. We do have busy day. So let's unlock the secret dev UI. That's not the one. Wait, it's that? Where is it? No, I clicked the wrong thing. There it is. Secret dev UI. Hey. Okay, so now if I stop it, I start it, I play. Start game. Great. I start it. I open the debug menu. I get an error, so I'm gonna have to clean that up first. Basically, the debug UI doesn't work if you don't have a campaign. So I was just check if the mayor's null. Is that bad? Not equal to null. Then we do that, and that should be fine. No error, woo. So now we grab busy day. What else? We might as well grab more. Wealthy. So we should get whatever the grace card was and cupcake shop. Whoop. Bam. Homeowner association. Ooh, just homeowner association. No cupcake shop. Okay, well let's see if cupcake shop is in the list. It is. Let's see if it's in the compendium. Busy day, wealthy. It is, though we got a null reference. In a compendium? Oh god. What the heck? because I'm not playing as anyone. I don't have an owner. That's fine then. That's a bug that will only happen on this screen, and really the compendium on this screen will be the bugs. So, not the end of the world, we'll just make sure we hide that UI on this screen, because that's meant to be for mid-run. Okay, so that means that the achievement is fine. So I guess I will open the compendium and reset everything. Okay, so I guess I'll just add some logging to where am I? Not draggable. Not here. Here. Show that. Wait. Okay, why would it? What am I doing? Just do that for now. So specifically wealthy. I wonder if we do wealthy. I imagine it will just show up, but that'll at least rule out it being a card-specific thing. So we open the debug menu, we grab wealthy, add it, close it, woohoo, start, cupcake shop. So it's not specific, maybe it's multiple? How did multiple fail? I'm looping through all cards where the card contains the required challenge. Code looks solid. And now if we go into it again, we can get it. We go to Indian. And we should have made it easier to reset. But oh well, we live and we learn. Except I don't learn. Okay, so I will now grab it's a busy day. Wealthy. Maybe it's always just that it won't show the last one. City founder, so we'll do 3. Maybe I'll get 2 this time. We've got the log ready. Just the one? Why doesn't it let me do that? see why. Should I go test this then? Because I have a theory. No, not dev mode. What am I doing? Muscle memory always kicks in. Busy day. Wealthy. Do we have a few things tied to those achievements? We do. And a speech. Okay, cool. It works. Nice. Okay, so now we just need to figure out how the heck we're gonna actually render those, because we don't really have icons for them. Do these books work? Yeah, that's the speech that we just unlocked. There's the cupcake shop. That's all the fun. So I guess the next step becomes render them nicely in the book, and whatever I use for that can kind of be the icon that I show. Which for cards just kind of needs to be a card, right? There's no way around that. No, because the icon for the achievement is just, I don't know, like here is an icon to represent that you completed wealthy. But this is more like a UI to say you have unlocked this tangible thing. Because not all achievements will be tied to unlocks, so you'll just get the sidebar, you'll get the Steam bub-up. But there's nothing to show when you come back to this screen, so I'm not going to show everything you unlocked. You already know that. You've already had the achievement. This is specifically for showing you what tangible thing you've got. So I need to show that. So for a relic, I guess I'll just show the relic. For the card, I guess I'll show the card. Question is, do I render like a full-size card? Probably. Probably do like a star around it or something, right? Stamp collection? What, for cards? Stamps were the plan for either relics or trinkets. We kind of swapped the idea around for each as time's gone on. I'm fairly certain Slay the Spire 2 shows you the cards that you unlock though, right? Should we boot it?
I'm going to show you very quickly and easily how to unlock more and more characters that you and your friends
There we go. This AI is going to show us.
allow you progress. Although only two achievements, including the first character you have in the game. you'll see that you've unlocked this new character
See,
shown
it
on
shows
the
a
screen.
character.
And this is basically how it works for times with all the remaining achievements.
Literally does. And I said star behind. See, it's even got the star behind.
Hello, everyone. By please name for
here type you need to type in. It just saved the debugging because it's basically with this command. Console. Hey, remains.
Get me out of here. Get me out of here, a bot. Alright, well. Well, that. One thing we need to sort out is icons for relics and trinkets. Ah, that's a big thing on the to-do, really. Currently, there's no way to assign trinkets to cards. That was the one that I was advocating the most, to move to like a little stamp that you put on the card. That would look cool. I really like the idea of a simple little stamp. Let me grab a screenshot of a card. Oh, this is so small. Uh-oh. What? What am I erroring on? New campaign. Create campaign. Selected mayor render zones. Selected mayor render zone. No, it exists. It's the campaign data can't exist without user data manager. This list is null, is it? Assistant managers, render zones? Am I blind or am I crazy? Oh, I see. It's who's your what's it? Well, we're starting from the menu, right? I wonder whether we go from here. No. It must be something I've overwritten as part of the changes. I'm not going to look at it now. When I overwrote user data manager, I must have overwritten something. That's the only thing I can think of. All mares and all trinkets are null now. That'll do it. That'll do it. I don't know why the serialized data didn't clear until now, seemingly, but there we are. So we'll do Grace, Vic, no, Grace Oswaldo, Vic, and Debug. And then Relics. These should be changed to Oswaldo. I'm sure there were only 14 before. That's annoying. Okay. Yeah, there we go. What a weird way for that error to present, but fine. Alright, so I'm going to put this somewhere in the abstract void. In Bigify. Ah! Oh, so slow. Oh my god. There we go. Yoink. I need my music back. Got any suggestions for music? Put into this for now. Okay, so we'll take this, and then we could just do like a little, you know me, I'm pink. I was like, a little thing like that. More faded. Just do like, like that could just be the that's the wrong colors, but like the approval stamp could just be something as simple as that. Did you see that? It updated like the gizmo, but didn't update the actual rendering. That's crazy. I've never seen that before. Really simple icons. You're talking about like a stamp you'd get on a letter. And when you say like the achievements, just to be clear, we have no letter stamps in the game at the moment. None. Zero. when it's a star, doesn't it? And I was thinking if you were to do them like this, we wouldn't have them quite so perfect. We'd probably do it so they're like a bit cracked and scuffed around the edges, a bit of a gradient there and whatnot. And then when you get like too many, they just start to overlap. You know? Because the problem that I have with stamps is one, they're harder to do the art for, and two, to sell the effect better, you need good quality like icons on them. Like I did this. This isn't. Yeah. There's too much going on. It's too noisy. And then when you shrink it down, the colors just become a mess. It's hard to see that that's got a camera on it. So you need to keep them simpler than that. I put a skeleton on just to show one with nice like texture and stuff. The stamp you sent me. Yeah, with that, it's too noisy. You want something. It's got more detail in the stamp than it does in the entire card itself. And you got an image to it that doesn't seem to like that. I always like the idea of this, you know, like the passport stamp stacking. Like fan. And then you want it a bit faded, so we'd probably do a bit more bluey there. I have to rotate it with this. I don't really find myself using this too often, the gradient overlay. See if there's any cool effects you can do really. That's weird. See why it's doing it, but it's weird. I don't like it. How linear. Oh, I've done it. Done. Put a gap in the middle. I was wondering why it was such a thick bar. Yeah, that's better. So if we put that like there. Want this one to move. To scale there. That maybe. Yeah, that kind of sells it. I think it's just a bit extreme. Alternative I could try is... So now we've got a combo of like crosshatch and dots that are erased. missing from the whole thing. And then we could probably like put a Gaussian blur on it. A Gaussian blur. That, and maybe we could. These edge pieces. That's probably enough, honestly. Chipped away at it just a bit. Annoyingly, I would want to make sure that everything scales with object. Can't do that with text. Ugh. Ugh. Honestly, I'd rather just rasterize everything. So, kind of even his approval. I can't remember. Blue, of course. So we would do like bluey like that for approval. I think I've gone a bit too extreme on how much I've and we obviously have this for the population. Seriously, population. So do you like that idea? And basically I'll just randomize this corner, like where exactly they get placed in this corner. And there'll be a few overlapping, and I'll mask them to the card itself so they don't fall on the outside. And it'll just be like that. And then obviously the numbers on the cards go up. I'll probably fade them a bit so that they're not too apparent. Okay, that's it, and that's the direction I'll go. Right, I'm gonna bugger off and do some food now, though. And do my rasterization before I do anything. So I can actually edit it. But there we are, cool, done. This was pretty productive. I'm gonna keep streaming things anytime I do some changes. Get into a habit of it. Right, catch you in a bit. Cheerio.